Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on acid versus base. ACID is an acronym that stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. These properties are a set of guarantees that a database system makes about the behavior of transactions. ACID properties are important for maintaining data integrity, consistency and availability in a database. It ensures that the data stored in the database is accurate, consistent, and can be relied upon. First one, atomicity. This property ensures that a transaction is treated as a single, indivisible unit of work. Either all of the changes made in a transaction are committed to the database or none of them are. This means that if a transaction is interrupted or fails, any changes made in that transaction will be rolled back so that the database remains in a consistent state. Next, consistency. This property ensures that a transaction brings the database from one valid state to another valid state. Our database starts in a consistent state, and any transaction that is executed on the database should also leave the database in a consistent state. Next, we have isolation. This property ensures that the concurrent execution of transactions does not affect the correctness of the overall system. Each transaction should execute as if it is the only transaction being executed, even though other transactions may be executing at the same time. Next, we have durability. This property ensures that once a transaction is committed, its effects will persist, even in the event of a failure, such as a power outage or a crash. This is typically achieved by writing the changes to non-volatile storage, such as disk. Next, we have the base. So, base stands for basically available, soft state, eventually consistent. So, it is a set of properties that describe the behavior of a distributed database system or a distributed data store. First one, basically available. This property ensures that the data store is available for read and write operations, although there may be some limitations on availability due to network partitions or other failures. Next, we have soft state. This property acknowledges that the state of the data store may change over time, even without input. This is due to the distributed nature of the data store and the inherent uncertainty in network communication. And lastly, eventually consistent. So this property ensures that all nodes in the distributed data store will eventually converge to the same state, even if they do not have immediate access to the same information. This means that it may take some time for all nodes to have the same data, but eventually they will have the same data. So just to highlight all the differences. So the priority for ACID is on consistency and isolation, but for the base, priority is availability and scalability. Next is about the guarantees. So ACID will give strong guarantees for transactions, but base will give eventually consistent guarantee. Cost wise, ACID is bit costly because there is an overhead attached with providing ACID like consistency and isolation, and it is less scalable, while base is highly scalable. And in terms of predictability, so ACID it's easier to reason about, but in case of base, even though it's eventually consistent, it's harder to predict behavior while the changes are being performed. And that's all. Thanks for watching.